Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover permanently deleted files on Android. In the first method, simply open your Android device's gallery or Photos application. To show you, I am deleting some of the photos first. Once done, look for the recycle bin or recently deleted folder. Open it and select the photos you wish to recover. Then, choose the restore option. Your deleted photos will be successfully recovered. Moving on to the second method, open the Google Photos application. Then navigate to the library option and open the bin or trash option. There, you will find all the deleted files. Select and hold the files you want to recover and then choose the restore option. For the third option, open your Google Drive application and log in with your Google account used for backup. Then, choose the needed file and hit the three-dot option. After that, select the Download Now option and your files will be ready to download to your device. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.